Each newsletter publisher ought to have at least one autoresponder message set up. When visitors subscribe to your e-zine, send them a welcome message. In it, thank them for subscribing, and give them a taste of the great subject matter they're going to benefit from in the coming weeks, months, or years. This message doesn't have to be long-winded. Just a paragraph or two to get your fresh subscribers excited about the forthcoming issues. Include a link to your website, and if you publish your newsletter issues on your site, make it a link to those archives. That way, if your following issue isn't going out for a few days, you stay in subscribers' inboxes and on their minds, and you get them back to your website. You will need to use an autoresponder like GetResponse. If you don't already have an account, sign up for one. Go to http://www.getresponse.com and sign up for the trial. You will be redirected to this page. Make sure to check your email to verify your account. Next, we will create a newsletter. First of all, make sure you are in the correct campaign. Next, choose Create a Newsletter. New email creator is the easiest. Fill out the required fields. Choose a template. Use plain text or import your own template. Fill in your newsletter with valuable info that will keep your subscribers on your list, and use the design functions on the right if you choose. Next, you will choose what list to send to, and when you would like to schedule it for delivery. For getting new subscribers, don't forget to set up an opt-in form on one of your sites. This can be done in web forms. The best way to show the worth of your content is by putting it into the context of an experience your subscribers will understand. It's not, after all, just about how well it is written or how much time you put into putting it together. It's about how your customers can take it and apply it to their own lives to get their own results. Next, we will look at coming up with your first paid product.